Okay guys, so in this lecture I'll be showing you guys how to use PyDictionary to find the definitions of specific words that you specify in your Python file. So this is just the repository for PyDictionary, as you can see here. And so we have all the installation stuff that we already went through previously. And so all we have to do is put in this code and it will be able to find the definitions of words once we import this library. So let's get into Visual Studio Code. So I'm in my source code folder. You just have to open it up in here using this. And so we are just going to create a new file, and we'll just name this main.python because py is the ending for Python files. So now we just have to import the PyDictionary library. So we're just going to use this, or actually we should be doing this. And so now we are importing the PyDictionary module, so then we're able to use it inside of our program. So this is just instancing a dictionary as PyDictionary for further use within the program. And so to find the meaning of something, all we have to do is run the function dictionary.meaning, and then it has one parameter, which is the word that you would like to find the meaning of. So we can just have a variable, and we can have that equal to dictionary.meaning of the word. In this case, it's indentation. So we can also have word equals, we'll have indentation just because I have it there, and then we'll put in the word as the parameter for the word that we want to find the meaning of, and then we'll just hit print. And print is just putting out into the console, as most of you guys probably know. And then we're just going to print the we're going to have word, and then we are going to concatenate a string, and then we'll just put in definition. And actually, let's just log out definition so for right now. So then to run this Python file, we're just going to open up our terminal, and it should already be inside of the location of where we are right now inside of our project. And to run this, we just do Python, and then we put in the name of the file, so main.py. Okay, and now it's ran inside of our terminal. And so it's found a definition for it, and the definition is it is a noun, and here's the definition right here. And it has multiple different definitions for it being a noun. As you can see here, it has 3 different ones. So then we could just pull out inside of here, we can just do a bracket and then put in the noun key, which should give us the definition that is a noun. So we can just run our file again using python main.py, and we get the definitions for a noun of indentation, which is a concave cut into a surface or edge, and then all these other ones. And this is in an array, so we can access each of these individually using hard coding in the indexes. So we can get the first one, the first definition as and it outputs a string. So we can get the second one, because index is star 0 is the first element inside of an array, or a list actually, since this is Python. So we can just concatenate this so then it looks nicer, where we can do word plus, and then colon, and then plus. So we add the space before it. So we can run our file again, and we can see it says indentation, the formation of small pits in a surface as a consequence of corrosion. You can also pull out the first one or any of the other ones. So we're going to use this basic idea to create the functionality for our word of the day bot using the Twitter bot. So I'll see you guys in the next lecture.